हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योर ओन यूट्यूब क्लास। स्वागत 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 आप सबका स्वागत है अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर। इन दिस वीडियो, इन दिस playlist, in this lecture series, we are going to talk about the C programming language. In this lecture series, we will solve the C programming language from basic to basic level to the advanced questions. In this video, we are not only going to solve the academic perspective, we are going to also see the questions from the previous GATE exams and the interview questions related to the C programming language. Now, this course will be ideal for the one who are taking C programming as their course in college or who are preparing for the interviews and the GATE exam. This is the best place you are in. Now, how does this course will go on? At the end of the each topic, now we will make video wise topic. At the end of the each topic, we will have a quiz related to that topic. We will see if there are any academic questions that are being asked from the previous exam. We are going to solve it. We will also solve the GATE questions and interview questions, if any, from that topic. So friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, share this channel, and please like it. Thank you. See you in the next class with the detailed syllabus.